Okay, gather round everyone for Meter Combat. So I have my new Dalek portable kit meter, my old Dalek portable kit meter, and my new Amazon meter that arrived today. Let's just do a quick test to see how well these three can test the voltage in a battery, the continuity in a lead, and the resistance of this 470 ohm resistor. Let's see how different they really are. Alright, so the first thing I'll do is I'll pause and then I'll come back with the first test setup. Test number one is going to be the voltage in this battery. So I know it's not going to be 4.5, or it's not going to be 6 volts, but let's have a look and see what they each measure it at. And I'll announce it if you can't read it on screen. So this is 4.18 volts, or 4.17. Okay? The old Dalek meter. So this is what I would have relied on to find out whether my battery was charged or not in the Dalek. It's a bit scratched up, so I hope you can still see it. Nothing. Oh, hold on. There we go. That'll be white. Still nothing. 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 1 second. Well, that was measuring absolutely nothing. Let's bring in the new guy. You see that? Yeah, can kind of see that. It's 4.19. Not bad. 0.02 of a volt. That's pretty good. Alright. The next test, let's flick it over to ohms and test this here resistor. Now these probes might make it a bit tricky to test. I'll see what I can do. 0.462. That's pretty good. 0.462 kilo ohms, so 463 ohms. That's pretty good. Let's try the next one. See if this guy can redeem himself. With, set it to the 200 ohms range. Oh, sorry, we'll have to do 2000, won't it? Because if it's over 200. Right, let's try this. Nothing. 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 It's not measuring anything. Alright, let's try this one. I'm trying to keep the video under 5 minutes. It's going to be a race to the finish. To the ohm setting. These probes are longer, but the shielding on them doesn't feel as nice. Let's see. It's checking. 0.462. Pretty good. Alright, let's quickly try continuity. If I stay on the same setting there, basically I just need to check via the resistance. I guess if it measures a resistance, I will know if there is continuity in this cable. And I can select a beep, can't I? Yep, definitely something there. Let's try this. Let's see if it's going to measure anything. I don't think it is though. I think it's toast. It's not measuring any resistance. I think it's had its time. This one, let's clip on there. Clip, dang it. Stay on there. This meter doesn't understand. The YouTube algorithm doesn't like videos over 5 minutes. Oh, there's a tiny little beep. Well, for $19, this is just as good as the one that was, well, less than $19. So on that stunning bombshell, I'll see you next time. Thanks everyone for watching.